In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly sync your Google Sheets with Google Calendar. If you're someone who juggles multiple tasks, appointments, or events, integrating these two tools can make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive right into it and set the stage for a more organized, productive you. First things first, you need to open Google Sheets. If you haven't already done so, make sure you have the sheet ready that contains all the events or appointments you'd like to sync with your Google Calendar. Having this organized in advance will streamline the entire process for you. Next, we'll dive into the Extensions menu located at the top of your Google Sheets interface. Click on Extensions and navigate to the Add-ons option. Here, you'll find Get Add-ons. This is where you have access to a wide range of tools designed to enhance the capabilities of Google Sheets. Once you click on Get Add-ons, you'll need to search for a specific tool to bridge Sheets and Calendar. Type in Sheets to GCal or Calendar Events Creator in the search bar. Both of these add-ons serve the purpose of connecting your Sheets data with Google Calendar, so pick the one that aligns with your preference or suits your needs after taking a look at the reviews and descriptions. After you've found your chosen add-on, proceed to install it. The installation process is straightforward, and you'll be prompted to connect it to your Google account. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions so that the add-on can access and transfer information between Sheets and Calendar. This might include permissions to view, edit, and manage your Google Sheets and Calendar events, but remember, granting these permissions is necessary for the synchronization process. With the add-on installed and connected, it's time to map your spreadsheet columns to the corresponding calendar fields. This is crucial because each column in your sheet represents a piece of data such as title, start date, end date, and so forth that needs to match up with what Google Calendar recognizes. Take a moment to match these up correctly, ensuring that your event titles, dates, times, and any other necessary details are aligned perfectly. Finally, select the Sync option within the add-on. This step links your Google Sheet data with Google Calendar. Once you've done this, your calendar should populate with your events, reflecting exactly what's detailed in your sheet. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your schedule updated without manually adding each event. And there you have it. Your Google Sheets and Calendar are now harmoniously working together. By following these steps, you've unlocked a new level of efficiency, helping you save time and stay on top of your commitments. Enjoy your newfound organizational prowess.